Legend of Zelda Echoes of Wisdom unlocks Hero Mode feature. The latest installment in the Zelda franchise, Echoes of Wisdom, has been gearing up to release on September 26 for the Nintendo Switch. However, all its fans have been eagerly awaiting any information about the game that led them to discover a new Hero Mode feature. In Echoes of Wisdom, players take on the role of the Princess Zelda as she adventures through Kingdom of Hyrule. The game is full of different levels of adventures, challenges, and exploration. Unlike previous Zelda games, Echoes of Wisdom will be allowing its players to choose from normal or hero difficulty modes from the outset. Hero Mode doubles player damage and removes hearts from the wild, making it a challenging experience for even the most seasoned players. Hero Mode features in Zelda games consist of doubles player damage, removing healthy hearts from the wild, and disabling certain accessory effects during play. Skill and strategy would come into play to advance in the game, as Hero Mode won't provide ample opportunities to easily replenish health. This is a slight departure from other games in the series, in which harder modes can be unlocked once the main campaign's been completed. Echoes of Wisdom would also support Amiibo. Using special figures, players would unlock new outfits and other in-game items. Nintendo's reprinting some older figures, such as Wind Waker Zelda and Link's Awakening Link, which can be scanned into this game and offer exclusive content.